George is too old and Max is too thick.
Your sister almost brought us back inside.
Lisa wouldn't rat on us.
Well, how else did they know where to look?
They got lucky. Sure. Look, she wouldn't rat on us. All right, Dan. Read the story. Then tell me she'd try and rat on her own brother.
Writing an article about the brother I loved is the most difficult thing I've ever written. And I did love Sonny once.
See? That's good.
But when arguments about an unstable childhood and the destructive influence of prison are exhausted, what still remains is the fact that Sonny Bennett is a criminal and a psychotic.
That's crap. You're making that up.
I'm only reading what's here.
Mention anyone else?
Yeah. Reverend Bob Brown.
What's that do-gooder got to say?
In the past, I've tried to find it in myself to forgive Sonny Bennett. But his total disregard for the rules of the society he lives in makes that impossible. Sonny Bennett is a murderer. A cold-blooded murderer.
How could she write that crap about me? She's my sister.